How to prompt for user input and read command line arguments. How do I have a Python script that A, can accept user input, and how do I make it B, read in arguments if run from the command line?
To read user input, you can try the CMD module for easily creating a mini command line interpreter, with help texts and auto-completion, and raw_input, input for Python 3+, for reading a line of text from the user. Command line inputs are in sys.argv. Try this in your script. There are two modules for parsing command line options, deprecated since Python 2.7, use argparse instead, and getopt. If you just want to input files to your script, behold the power of file input. The Python library reference is your friend.
Or for Python 3.
Raw_input is no longer available in Python 3.x. But raw_input was renamed input, so the same functionality exists. Documentation of the change.
The best way to process command line arguments is the argparse module. Use raw_input to get user input. If you import the redline module, your users will have line editing in history.